In this installment, I took what I learned from my other moves in order to get my large 1966 Northfield jointer out of the basement. I started by taking off the small bits, then remove the tables, each of which weighed about 200 to 300 pounds. Next, I took off the ship's wheel and the belt guard. I then turned my attention to the drive system, including this custom switch, the VFD, and the motor. I lifted the motor up with the hoist in order to detension the belts. Then remove the motor entirely. Then took off the mounting plate. With all of these pieces removed, I was curious as to how much weight was remaining. And it turned out to be quite a bit. I hauled the tables out on the ramp. And then it came time to get the main body out. I lifted it up to mount it on the dolly. The jointer is bolted onto the cross members. I broke out the PAM again and got set up for the big pull. I decided to use the generator feature on my truck to power the winch, though this was not entirely necessary as I had an outdoor outlet right next to the bulkhead. And here I reveal my secret identity. And thanks to all my preparation, the pull went very smoothly. My brother-in-law helped me pull it across the lawn and load it onto the pallet. And it was ready to move on to the new shop.